What book are you reading? The quiet old lady who was whispering. Say good night, Moon. Good night, Moon. Can you say Moon?
No. Boom.
Very good.
Boom.
Moon. You see a window?
No. Boom.
Moon. That's a big book, huh? Look at how big that book is.
Boom.
The moon, the cow jumping over the moon. Do you see a bowl full of mush?
Boom.
That's right. And where's the quiet old lady whispering hush? Is she on the other page?
Boom.
The cow jumping over the moon.
Boom.
That's right. You see the mouse?
Boom. Boom.
Moon.
Light.
Stars. Hush.
Boom.
Moon. You gonna read it again?
Boom.
Moon. Do you see the kittens?
Fish. Boom.
The mouse.
Comb.
The comb and the brush. The bowl full of mush.
Boom. Mouse.
Mouse. Do you hear a noise?
So.
There's a lawnmower outside. That's all. Read your book. Where's the balloon?
Boom.
Where's the balloon?
Boom.
Ah.
Meow.
Meow. Mouse.
Mouse. Mouse.
Mouse. The end.
Mouse.
Again? No. Not again. Let's go get a drink and a snack. No, we're going to read again.